Hello everyone, I am Ishwar Pahali, faculty member of English, SM Bhomreddy, Arts and Commerce College, Gajanagar. In this video, I am going to discuss BA second semester Basic English second chapter, The Silver Lining by Chaman Nahal. So before going to start the summary of the story, I will briefly discuss about the lesson. Silver Lining is a story about a disabled child, Pramodini, and the sad parents. A guest who arrives at their guest house brings a ray of hope in the life of the child. The title of the lesson has been taken from the proverb, every cloud has a silver lining, which means that one should never feel hopeless in any situation because difficult times always lead to better days. One should be optimistic. So let's move on to the discuss about the author. Dr. Chaman Nahal is the author of the story The Silver Lining. He was born in 1927. He is the author of novels, reviews, articles and works of criticism. The Silver Lining is taken from a volume of short stories entitled The Weird Dance. So this is all about the author. So let's discuss about the main characters in the story. There are 5 characters in the story. The first one, the narrator, who tells us the story. Second one, hostess, Mrs. Bhandari. She is the hostess of the Hill Resort. And the third one, host, Mr. Bhandari. And the fourth one, Pramodini, the daughter of the Bhandari. And the fifth one, Mr. David, a visitor to Mr. Bhandari's Hill Resort or a guest house. So these are the characters we saw in the story. So let's discuss about the brief summary of the story. The Silver Lining describes the story of a handicapped child and their parents' unhappy moments until a guest who is similarly handicapped brings a ray of hope into their child's life. So his views about judging narrator's views about judging a man's outward appearance is that a happy man who puts on a appearance of happiness may be crushed deeply within, while an idiot may be truly happy. So this is the condition of every person. So Chaman Nahal narrates his experiences during his stay at the private guest house in one hill resorts where one of his friends had recommended it. It covered all the facilities that generally lacked in a advertisement, and it was a silent resort. The hostess was Mrs. Bhandari from South, married to a North Indian. He's a dark, huge, with a bony limbs, and her complexion dark, yet pleasant looking, and she is a kind woman. They had a daughter called Pramodini, about 8 years old, with a Chinese crop, dressed in a jeans and high boots. She was the center of attraction to the author. On arriving at the resort, he was welcomed by the warm and friendly affection of Mrs. Bhandari. And Pramodini remained aloof and a bit timid at the beginning of the story. So he was unaware of the child's disability. Chaman Nahal beckoned the child to him, and at which she shook her head and dashed out of the room. So it was first experience of Pramodini with Chaman Nahal. The situation brought a painful look on the faces of Bhandaris. The daughter's physically handicapped condition was explained to the author later. Apparently, the parents faced such awkward moments every time a new guest arrived, and the child totally aghast while the situation was being explained. Her only means of communication was the gestures made with her hand. Chaman Nahal suggests parents to inform every new guest in a typed letter sealed in an every sealed in a envelope. The letter was brief note on the child's handicapped situation and had a request that the visitor should refrain from approaching Pramodini and asking her any questions. So Chaman relates the incident when on one day there arrived a strange visitor called Mr. David. He was barely 25 years and had an unkempt appearance. After reading the note in the sealed envelope about Pramodini, he had rushed out onto the courtyard and darted out towards the Pramodini. Mr. David's sudden impulse had shocked the parents and also narrator, who thought that he was being rude. The moment of the curiosity in the air was broken by the sound of a gun exploding, shrill laughter. It was a wonder and amazement for the Bhandaris. David was a youth who too was a deaf and dumb, but sent abroad to a institution where he had learned the skill of communication and had returned to India to open a school for the handicapped or disabled children. He was eager to make Pramodini his first student and disclosing the truth to the Bhandaris. They thrilled her parents. So their joy knew no bounds and they were filled with gratitude towards Mr. David. The story ends with the description of Mrs. Bhandari as the happiest woman in the world and her laugh expressed as a carefree girl. So this is a brief summary of the story, The Silver Lining by Chaman Han. Thank you for watching.